Yo, what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, I bagged my M6. I'm so excited this finally happened. I've been waiting to do this since I bought the car. Actually, before I bought the car, I seen a few pictures of M6s on bags, and I was like, that's the route I'm going 100%. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film the install as much as I really wanted to, guys. They're really like being strict on people going out and stuff, because there's not that many installs on bagged M6s, but I'm so excited this finally happened. So if you're watching this video and you own an M6 and you're thinking about bagging your car, I highly recommend it, guys. I just want to say off the bat, the ride feels so much more better compared to stock suspension. If bags is too much for you, I definitely recommend doing coilovers or some type of springs. So right now I'm going to show you guys my maximum height. This is pretty much the clear driveways, go over speed bumps and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do a quick walk around. So this is how my rear sits, guys. If you guys are thinking about going bags, I highly recommend it. Let's say you had a crazy rear diffuser underneath and you don't want to scratch it clearing a steep driveway. This will save you. So this is how my rear looks. Let's go on to the front. It doesn't go as high, but there still is more clearance than OEM. I'm able to clear driveways now with my lip and stuff. Let's just do a little walk around. Same on this side, guys. So this is my maximum height. Like I said, guys, this is so I'm able to clear speed bumps and stuff like that. So right now I'm going to show you guys my drive height. This is how my car sits when I'm driving. So that was my max height that you guys just saw. So now I'm going to double tap this middle button and it's going to adjust it to my ride height. You guys can hear the tank in the back. It's still adjusting right now. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound on camera, but that's actually the tank filling up air. So this is now my new ride height for driving. It might be a little too low for some, but it looks so good. Let me show you guys how low the front sits. Please excuse the lip, it's cracked. So yeah, guys, this is my ride height. It looks so good now. I was so over that fender gap right there, but now it's completely disappeared. The rear's tucking a little. Yeah, guys, it looks so much better now. If you have an M6, comment down below. Do you guys think my ride height is too low? In my opinion, it's perfect. I'm able to turn my wheels full, both left and right, without rubbing or anything. So now moving on to my favorite preset, which is 0 all the way around, and the car is completely on the floor. So now what we're gonna do is double tap this button underneath the airlift performance button, and it should 0 out everything. There it goes. Perfect. Let's check it out, guys. Wow. My rear tire completely disappeared. Look at the side skirt, guys. It's like almost on the floor. Not quite, but almost there. I think the front possibly might tap the floor. And then the front tire is like completely gone, more than even the rear. Again, some people might not think this looks good, but I've had air suspension on multiple cars, and I'm just a huge fan of it, guys. It has so much more benefits other than just being able to slam your car. What do you guys think? Let's do a little walk around. A billion times better. If you guys have been keeping up with the M6 vlogs, you guys know that I've been saying I can't wait to get rid of this gap. And I finally did. This is just the beginning of the build, guys. I want to say real quick before I talk to you guys at the end, I have so much more planned. This car's gonna look insane. So I didn't show you guys my trunk setup just yet because it is very, very simple. Actually, I had them hide everything underneath here. The compressors are in here, and I had them just bolt the tank up right there. So I still have all my trunk space. I can put whatever I need to put in here. If I'm going to shows, need to put all my cleaning supplies or anything, I still have all this space. So yeah, guys, this is a very basic setup. I could have like acrylic glass showing the tank and stuff and all that. I possibly might do that in the future, but this is just the setup for now. So that's gonna be for today's video, guys. My apologies if this video wasn't as thorough as far as the install goes, but with everything going on right now, it's pretty difficult to go out and stuff. But if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. Also, if you guys are curious on what setup I went with the Airlift 3P management, and I went with the SEC struts for the M6. So yeah, my bad, guys, if you clicked this video hoping to see an install. I know there aren't that many install videos on M6s out there, but yeah, like I said, with everything going on, it really sucks. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly what kit I went with and stuff. So if you guys are a fan of the M3 I just picked up as well, those videos are gonna start this week, so make sure to keep an eye out for it. Also, I did pick up a wide body kit for the M6, so it's gonna be crazy, guys, so look out for that video as well. And again, guys, if you have any questions, please comment down below. Please make sure to subscribe and like, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.